Hey y'all, so today I am going to be reviewing a Temu order, Temu unboxing. Forgive the whole fan situation going on right now. It's really hot in our apartment at the moment. The AC is just now kicking on. It's a really hot day where we live. Well, hot for this time of year. So I promise I'm not trying to get some kind of like model, like Beyonce kind of thing going on right now. Anyways, Temu unboxing. That's what I'm going to be doing today. I've ordered a couple times from Temu. Really like it so far. If you know Temu or Temu or however you say it, you know that they've got some really good deals, really good bargains, great prices. Most of their stuff is really cheap. And sometimes the quality is also cheap. You know, you're like, oh, this is such a good deal. And then you order it and it turns out to be not good quality. So that's what we're going to find out with this order. So unbag it with me. So I'm gonna open it up. One of my complaints about Temu is their packaging system. This one's not too bad, but we've gotten a few where it's like super condensed, super flattened, just not appealing looking, damaged. It's not good. So that's one of my complaints about them, is I feel like they could do a little bit better with the shipping and everything. You know, don't cram it all together like that so that your stuff doesn't get damaged or your clothes aren't super wrinkled or anything like that. Let's open this guy up. So there's a theme with what I ordered from Temu this time, and that is we are going to Disney in a week. Disney World in Florida. It's the first time that I've ever been, so I'm super excited about that. But of course, I had to get some good Disney finds for this trip. I might get like, you know, maybe 1 or 2 souvenirs from Disney. For being real, it'll probably be more. Anyways, probably 1 or 2 souvenirs from Disney. I don't want to spend a fortune on stuff like that. The tickets are already expensive, okay? So there's a couple Disney things in here, long story short. Because they make their packaging so condensed and like squished, you need to really be careful when you're unboxing or unbagging or whatever that you don't cut into your stuff accidentally. Bag is open. First things first, let's see what we got in the goodie bag. Alrighty, this is a Disney item. I'm excited about this one. You know, the packaging within the packaging is another thing that's not super like cute or visually appealing, but you know what? You save in the prices. So I got this super cute Disney t-shirt. You can see that. How cute is that? Can you see that? I mean, that is just adorable. It says happiest place on earth, of course, Disney. It's got all those little like Mickey Mouse balloons sticking up from the castle, so it gave me like Up vibes as well. So cute, I love it. And like this heather, like blue-gray kind of color. I love it. It looks just like the picture, so I'm really thrilled with how that turned out. Personally, I like most of my clothes a little bit bigger fitting. I don't want it to be too tight or anything like that. So I normally get shirts that are a little bit like a size or 2 bigger than what I normally would wear. I've also noticed with Temu from some of their clothes, usually it's on the either like exact fitting or like slightly on the smaller scale. So I usually order my clothes a little bit bigger on Temu anyway. So I'm pretty sure this one is an extra large. And so that'll be perfect for me. It'll be nice and baggy and not too tight. So that was a good deal. To me, this was definitely a good find, good bargain. I'm gonna include the price just somewhere up here so I don't have to keep checking back on the website and see how much I paid for it, but I know it was a good deal. Definitely cheaper than it would have been at Disney or probably anywhere else, honestly. So I'll just have the price pop up on the screen and y'all can see what I paid for. Moving on. Next from the goodie bag. Okay, so this is not Disney themed. It is another shirt or like a tank top or like a sleeveless tee, kind of like what I'm wearing right now. This one is of Fleetwood Mac. The Fleetwood Mac Dreams tank top. I love it. It's super cute. As you can see from what I'm wearing, it's kind of similar in style. I love Fleetwood Mac. I'm really excited to wear this around. And this I also ordered definitely in a bigger size. I think like a large or an extra large. And I don't know, I think this will be good, honestly. I like things to come down a little bit lower and cover. So I love this. This is like a traditional heather gray. And I think that the picture turned out really well too. So I'm thrilled about that. I love that. Good find. This, oh wow. These are a lot bigger than I thought they were gonna be. So these are like little circular sticker labels. I don't know if you can tell that from the camera, but it's just like the white circular labels that you can write on or put designs on and then stick on something. I've been experimenting a lot with my Cricut lately. I wanted some projects where I could work on, you know, things like this with. Definitely a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. I thought that the circles were going to be kind of like maybe that big or so. So I think it'll still be good. That's one thing that I have an issue with. I do not check dimensions very well when I order online, and it's such a problem. I've had so many instances where something has come in that is not at all how I thought it was going to be, but it was because I didn't check the dimensions properly. So it's probably my fault that it, you know, is bigger than I thought it was going to be. But it's just something to keep in mind when you're ordering online. Check your dimensions on everything, because you might think that from the picture it looks a certain way, but then it'll show up and it's not like that at all. So check your dimensions. This, I think, was a count of 144 pieces and not a bad price. So I'm pretty excited about that. I think I'm still going to be able to use it for what I want, which is good. This, another Disney themed item. This is a headband, a little bow headband that made me think of Minnie Mouse. I wanted to get the traditional ears, of course, but I was thinking that might be one souvenir that I get from the Disney trip. That way it's got a little bit more meaning and it's a little bit more special. But I did want to get something else to wear in the meantime. So it's just a bow. As you can see, some little fuzzies, I guess, on it. Pull that off. Almost looks like those little sticky glue strips that you use when you super glue. This is cute. I like this. If you can kind of see, it's like a sort of velvety material. Okay, getting some Minnie Mouse vibes. That's actually really cute. And it's not like a child size or anything. It's not too tight. It actually fits really well. I actually really like that. That's cute. I'm definitely going to wear that at Disney. That was a good find. Again, not a bad price. Good bargain. It's good quality. It seems like it's sticking on there really well. Like it's not like going to fall apart or anything. So cute. So I think I am going to make this video a part 1 and part 2 because I have a few more items than normal. I don't want the video to go too long and then, you know, what comes with that. So I hope you stick around and like and subscribe so that you can keep up with the part 2 and check out the rest of the Temu order. Thank you so much for watching so far. This is not all I have, and these are not all of my bargains, but thank you for watching.